Hi guys, welcome to the Bday channel here. Today, look at my fidgets. And today is also my birthday. We will be celebrating this again on Saturday. So we can invite my friends, but it's going to be virtual. Okay, so first up we have these little people. Okay, so you can spring them down and they just spring up and jump. Now I went down the stairs. And I'll pick this one. And these are cute and squishy and you can just squish it. So I like those. Next up are these little weird snakes. They can just bop, 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 bop. Next up we have this huge poppet. Of course you know what to do with it. You'll pop it, and after you're done with the whole entire poppet, you can flip it over and keep popping it. Here's one of these. So it has this, and then you move them back. So like, let's say, and it's supposed to run like that. But since it's on carpet, it won't do that. Next up, we have a little earth ball, which I like to call globe. And it's really fun. It's just like any other ball, except you can squish it, but it's really hard. Next up, we have this walkie-talkie. You can bend it in all formations, and it's easy to break. But you can fix it again by attaching these pieces. And then we have these. There's no end to this one. You can just, it's a transformer. Q, 8, another 8, Q. Wait. Oh, I forgot to show you these. Okay, so these, oh, I forgot what they're called, but my kindergarten teachers have two. And you're supposed to like squeeze this and then like a little ball will go like this. This one's my favorite. Of course, we have the Rubik's Cube, which is another one that's here. So let's put this here. And it's so easy. Unless, of course, you use this for an example of this. And here it is, the perfect long, stretchy unicorn. Here's unicorn, 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 unicorn. And it's stretchable. And I like this. Okay, let's keep moving on. Okay, so next up we have these pop tubes. These are the medium-sized ones, and these are the really small ones. The big ones, I forgot if we have or not. Okay, so these you can get, and you'll instantly make it bigger. Come on, can it be any faster? Let's just keep it like this. Okay, so next up we have these bouncy balls. Of course, they bounce. Next up we have these. They're just like this, but different. And by that I mean a little bit different. So it has two colors, and then you can like turn it, twist it, but you can't like make off towards a funky shape with it. Next up we have this thing. Okay, so there's a little hole here, and they can just drip out water, and it's so satisfying. Next up we have these little skateboards. You can of course skate your fingers on there. Next up we have these little rings. And they're not like total rings, so they're just like fun rings. Next up we have these. I don't know what they're called. And they're supposed to do this, and they can intertwine, and do this, and do this, and do this, and do this. They're supposed to do a lot of stuff. Okay. Here are the funky balls. They get attached to one another if you squeeze them hard and their lines are joined up. But they can't do 3, they only do 2. You have to be extra careful with these because these fall off easily. Next up we have this ball. It's broken right here. So you can see the inside of it. And we can squish it and move it. Squish it, move it, squish it, move it, squish, 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 move it. Next up we have these. Oh, why didn't they make noise? Oh, there it is. These was on top of the speaker. There we go. Of course we have the famous fidget spinner. And here's a tricky one. I have a ball spinner. Okay, let's get these chickens going. So basically they have a hole here. You can put your finger through it and you can make an airplane. Meow! Here is what I like to call pea pod because it's a pea in a pod. If you can't tell, this pea has a face. A really cute face. And you move on with the stickable people. So you got these lines and you can just intertwine them, even by the stomach. You have to turn them. Okay, next up we have the squishable football. It's a football, of course. You can play football with it. And next we have this, and it's the last one too. And I like this one because it has these. Okay, and we're done. I hope you liked all of my fidgets. If so, then stick out. Look at my fidgets. Oh, and today's my birthday, today's my birthday, today's my birthday.